a man began to suspect that his wife was going hard of hearing. He thought she might need a hearing aid, but he wasn't sure how to broach the subject with her. So he went to see their family doctor to discuss the issue. The doctor said,
"There is a simple test you can do to help me understand exactly how bad her hearing loss is. Here is what you need to do. Stand about 4 meters away from her and say something in a normal conversational tone. If she doesn't hear you, move to 3 meters and try again. Then 2 meters, and so on until you finally get a response."
That evening, his wife was busy making dinner in the kitchen while he was sitting in front of the TV. The man thought to himself, "I'm about 4 meters away right now. Let's give it a try." So, in a normal voice, he asked, "Honey, what's for dinner?" He didn't get a response. He got up, moved a meter closer to the kitchen, and asked again, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Still no answer. He moved closer still. From the middle of the living room, about 2 meters away, he asked, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Again, he heard nothing. He walked forward until he was right at the kitchen entrance. He repeated his question, but there was still no reply. Finally, he walked right up behind her and said, "Honey, what's for dinner?" His wife spun around and said,
"Are you deaf? For the 5th time, I'm saying chicken."
The problem isn't always where we assume it is. Sometimes the issue lies within us, not others. So before judging someone else, take a good, hard look at yourself first. If you enjoy interesting and insightful stories, be sure to subscribe to Talezy.